The dashboard is the first page you see when you log into your Wifeplanet account. The dashboard allows you to browse the users. You can use the search function to locate the users you're looking for. You can search by city, such as Nairobi. Alternatively, you can search by country, such as Kenya. You can also search by age range. When you're finished, click Save. Then, close the filters and view the results. Following that, you can narrow down the results based on who was most recently active. You can also filter by newest members, which will display the new members first. From your result, you can then send messages to other members without leaving the page. To lighten up the mood, you can also use emojis. Lastly, you can like other users on the dashboard. If you click on a profile, you will open up their home profile, which they have made for you to see. If you follow the user, you will get updates every time they upload a new post with an image. On the feed page, you can see all of the latest images from people you follow. You can browse them, view them in full size, and like them. On the profile page, you can see your personal information. You can edit the profile, the banner image, the profile image, the texts, and all the settings. Also, you can set up information about the person you are searching for. After you have made your changes, save it. If you are interested in money, you can click on the My Network button to see the ones who have joined using your personal links. From My Network, you can copy your unique invite link and share it with your friends. You will be notified once they join using your link. Let's take a look at the account page. Here is where you can see all the information about your video call minutes, LoveCoin stack, commissions, commissions in escrow, and purchases. You can either buy more or withdraw the minutes and LoveCoins if you want to convert them into money. You can also click on the commissions link to learn more about what you can earn and how commissions actually work. The next page in the menu is Upgrade. This is where you can see your current plan and the upgrade options you have. The process of upgrading is simple and fast. The next page is the blog page, where you can read the latest blog news from us. The next page is the contest page, where you can see all the top lists of people who have recruited people to the site using their own links. You can see their username, location, and the number of recruits they have. Our CEO will invite individuals who excel at recruiting and have the right mindset to train with and learn from a team known as the Lions. The Lions can be offered a full-time salary of 50,000 Kenyan shillings, equal to about $400 per month. Back to the dashboard. Your search settings are still there. You can now edit them if you want by clicking on them, or just click Clear to start from scratch. Just a short reminder, at Wifeplanet, you earn money for receiving calls, so make sure to pick up your phone. This was a short presentation on how to use the Wifeplanet dating app for mobile devices. We wish you good luck in your search.